Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood little man, Mordecai. And welcome back to Tomodachi Life Living the Dream. We have, these two. Uh-oh.
Caught.
Oh. Oh no, he was trying to have a cute moment and it didn't work. Run! Run! Look at Depresso being all shy now, like, oh fuck, I didn't mean to throw you. He's gonna run all the way to his house. Depresso's strong as hell, dude. You do not fuck with your husband like that. You will get your ass. Look at him just raise his thing. He's dead set on running to his house. Smirked. Buddy. He's gonna go all the way to his room. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. Phew. That was terrifying.
It's easy to relax in your own space.
Yeah. You need to take some time to calm down after that one. Depresso yeeted you across the ocean. I think you saw the other side of the world. Oh, I know what I want to do in today's episode, and in fact, I'm going to do it after we help her. I want to make custom earrings for Witch. In the beginning, I used stamps, but I'd rather draw things myself. Obviously with the exception of, like, meme stuff, like Carrot's severed head. But I want to draw some earrings for her myself.
I want to be friends with Jason.
Yeah! Do it.
What should we talk about?
You should talk about, Higurashi, yeah.
Got it.
That's a good show.
I'll go
talk to him about that.
about Higurashi.
Talk to him about the show that Ren is from. But yeah, I want to draw things more myself, especially now that I'm getting used to the game.
Hey, Jason.
In the beginning, it wasn't that I didn't want to draw, it was just that I wanted to give her earrings
like talking about
and didn't really have an idea, but now I do, so I'm gonna do that myself. Higurashi. Oh, fuck.
It seems like the whole world is talking about Higurashi right now.
Yeah, it did. He's right.
Oh. I had no idea.
Oh, it's not gonna work out. Damn. Damn, she tried.
Apparently the chatter about Higurashi is yesterday's news.
I mean, it kind of is. That show is quite old. Anyways, I'm gonna take you into Me Maker. And I am going to make you some custom earrings. I'm sorry, just choked on my own spit. But I decided I wanted to have one earring, and it was gonna be like a little gem earring, because I think that Witch would work with gems to make her potions and stuff. She would like brew like gem potions. I think that would be cool. Smoked salmon.
Yum.
She liked it.
I feel like a heavy weight has been lifted from my shoulders.
Honestly, maybe we should change her hairstyle too. I wouldn't be opposed to that. Let's see what else we have in here that we could do. I want her hair to stay out of her face, though. Ooh, what's this one look like? That's kind of cool, but it covers the earring. This one doesn't cover the earring. Let me look at some of the default hairs real quick. That's kind of cool. Doesn't cover the earring either, but it does cover her ears. This is her old hair. No, I kind of don't want to take the texture away from her hair, though. I like her having, like, a textured hair. Maybe just the back could be different. Like, this is kind of cool, the fool hair. Because I like the bangs. That looks cool. Like, the more fool hair in the back.
Sorry, but I just have to say it out loud. Root veggie is amazing.
Root veggie is what she calls carrot, by the way. Absolutely astonishing, honestly. Hi, little guy. What's wrong?
Hello. My look is lacking a certain something. Can you get me an accessory that matches my current outfit?
Yes. How about... what would suit you? What about little angel wings? I've had these in my pocket for a while. They're cute! Yay, he loves them! Perfect. Enter an expression, ending a sentence, add text. We're just gonna do a simple key because, you know, Cell Juniors be like that. Hee hee hee. There you go.
Thank you. Now I feel more like myself. When I talked to Cell about Kamehameha and Goku, we both got super into it.
Oh yes, I forgot. They became friends. And the reason they became friends is because they talked about Kamehameha and Goku. So, you know, take that how you will, I guess. Nice, I got 2 wishes. What do I want? What's new in here? Ground light. Ground lighting is a quick way to add some nighttime refinement to your island. Oh my god, this pinwheel is so cute. Unlocks at level 42. I want this bouncy playground ride. Oh, it's cute. Oh my god, Cooking Mama's chasing Sebastian. It's terrifying. Oh my god. Absolutely scary.
We interrupt to bring you some breaking news. An exciting new travel destination is now available.
A USA tour.
A USA tour is now available via travel tickets at the Wishing Fountain.
The Wishing
Sighs of
Fountain.
relief could be heard throughout the island, and one resident is quoted as saying, "I hope my roommate is gifted a trip soon. I could really use the alone time. It looks like a wish has already been added, so someone can leave immediately."
Too bad for you that
Stop
I'm not
by the
going to
Wishing
use that
Fountain
wish
to learn
on a
more.
travel ticket.
Thanks for watching.
Wahahaha.
I'm Mama, and you're up to date.
You cannot force me to do anything, Cooking Mama. You cannot force me to do anything. Chain stanchion. The intimidating chain will theoretically deter people from entering off-limits areas. I like this. Gonna have to do some island reno. Here's one as a gift. And then, is there anything else in here I want right now? Ooh. There's gonna be a lattice fence, a fountain, wind turbine, chain link fence, lighthouse, some sort of arch, and a bell. Sprinkler. I think I'm good for now. TNC Reno, let's see. I like the childhood set, I might get that. Athletic. Dilapidated is cool. Emperor's Chambers is cool. Ooh, the Haunted Manor, let's get that. I want to give that to Witch. That's sick. Haunted Manor, here's one as a gift. Thank you. Okay, so first, look at all these people using the tables. That's so cute. They're enjoying some chill time together, Maxwell and Wilson.
So, you leave the charcoal.
So adorable.
I told Jason. Told you.
Which is talking to Morty about fucking toilet paper. Ah. Here's the haunted room. Countless ghosts live inside this manor, or just a bunch of spiders, one of the two. Ooh, that's cool. I like the different variations. This is the ornate set. The red one's really nice. I'll get that. Okay. I think that's good for now. What's wrong?
Do you have a moment?
What do you want?
I would just love it if there were a flower plant
Okay,
right here.
that's actually a nice thing to ask. Here you go. Most of your peers ask for lamps, so... But I guess you being a bug, you want
Well,
florals.
that's a big improvement.
Le floral. Perfect. Okay. I want to go to the Reno, or the quick build, not Reno. I want to get a bunch of these.
Sorry, looks like this is a
No.
bit too spendy for you.
I broke. Put one back. Which colors do I want for now? I want this one, and this one, and the frog.
Thank you very much.
My money. I need more money so I can make my island cute. Alright, let's add these to the park. There's one. Oh yeah, I forgot we get one for free. There's 2. 3. And 4. They are cute. I have already enough for another wish, jeez. No, Depresso! Why are you sad?
Huh? Oh, Mordecai? Hey. Sebastian and I were chatting, and, well, I guess it just made me a little sad.
No. Here, how about some Brussels sprouts?
Yum.
Nah. He's not a big fan. That's okay. Do I have any clothes that would suit you? I kind of like what you're wearing already. Maybe a pencil skirt instead of the pants. I won't really be able to see it, but... Okay, he likes it. I'll see it when he gets up, I guess.
I feel like a heavy weight has been lifted from my shoulders.
Anytime, Depresso, anytime. Yeah, it's cute. It is cute. My god. What is that? Looks like tortellinis. And she's eating like a chocolate cake. Oh my god, everybody is just having horribly derailing conversations. Oh, he's stuck. Sal! You're the only hope we have.
What's going on here?
I just can't move.
I can't move
Know
because
what
I'm
this
thinking about
is social
Sal.
that, and
Ugh.
Oh, I'm starting to feel better.
Hey. I love
You're
the little
so
music
kind.
notes.
anyone would have helped.
Cute.
Thank you so much. My love for Spazzy is stronger than ever.
This is very true. You guys should ask each other out now.
Yeah.
It's about time.
Capta. Gambit. Fantasilla. Gavel. Well. We're on to that.
I hear someone talking. Oh, there he is. I was gonna say, I hear somebody. Have you eaten yet today, little man?
How do you do?
You have not. Have some Iberian ham. Yeah, he liked it. And it's better than a fried egg. Let's see, goods. Painting set for you would make sense. Give him a painting set.
I was going to say something, but I completely forgot what it was. Oh well.
Me too. Oh god, Jason's got dog poop on his shoe. Did Radish upset you, Jason?
I was talking to Radish, but I don't know. I guess I just
Did Radish insult your hobbies? Did Radish say that killing people was for bitches? Have some croquettes. Radish is also sad, though, which is interesting. They're both mutually, like, sad. Not super depressed, just sad. Oh my god, they're playing on the freaking... I must go. I must go, Jason. I must go now. They're playing on the playground! This is so cute! Yay! Oh my god, it's adorable.
This is great.
Especially since it's Marcel and he's like one of the cutest islanders ever. This is the best thing ever. I love this. Oh my god, this was the best addition to the island ever. Holy shit. Holy shit, he's going fast as fuck, boy.
This is the best.
Rena, join them! She's taking her blood ball on a walk. This is my favorite thing ever. I love this. I love it. That's the best thing ever. They're talking about urban building Lego legends. Did you know about the haunted Lego set in my attic? Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Alien, are you observing human nature? It's like, this is what humans do to exercise, right?
What's a bad habit you just can't seem to kick?
Bad habit I just can't seem to kick. I do skip breakfast a lot.
Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Unless you disagree. And then it's probably fine.
Yeah. Here, Alien. You have not eaten, so have some green curry. No, wasn't a hit. Did not like it. Man, I'm trying to get you to level up, Alien. How about a Korean chili pepper? While Cell stares in the background. Damn! Okay. He's not accustomed to this earth food, you know?
Anybody else want to do some aerobics? Hello? Anyone?
Anyone, please. Marotsuki. Since that's how they pronounce it in this game. Oh, do you want to be friends with Witch?
I want to be friends with Witch.
That's a good idea. Great thinking.
What should we talk about?
What would Witch like? Witch would like a vegetable.
I'm gonna talk to her about a vegetable.
A vegetable. After we see if they become friends, I'm gonna fix that, and I'm gonna fix the pronunciation of the Ginyu Force too.
Do you feel like talking about
A vegetable.
a vegetable?
Question for ya, Madotsuki.
Uh-huh.
You can choose between a vegetable and a toy robot.
Oh.
What do you do?
Choose the vegetable!
I guess I picked a vegetable.
Really? Well, if that's the case, we're gonna get along just fine.
She's only saying that because
Let's
she's
be
dating
friends.
Carrot. That's the only reason she's saying that. Any other time she'd pick the robot, but right now she's dating Carrot. Yay, first friend from Madotsuki.
Looks like Witch and I are friends. Thanks to talking about
A
a vegetable.
Seems like Madotsuki and I are getting along just fine.
Fantastic. Alright, let's fix the pronunciation. Let's go to a vegetable and just make it vegetable, because I didn't know when I was typing it that it would have an A in front of it. So adjust
vegetable.
lingual. Oh, can I not
vegetable.
change it? Oh no, I can't change it. Well then I'm just gonna delete it. Delete. And then the other thing I want to do is go to... I guess I have to go to Palette House for this, I'm not sure. Palette House, list of creations... New Force... Here it is.
The Ginyu Force.
No. The... Gin. They're gonna always... How would I make them pronounce it Gin? Because they're gonna say Jin. The Gin? You? That would probably be Jainu. Right? Hello?
The Ginyu.
The Jinu. The Gin. Is that gonna work? I don't know how to get them to pronounce it as Gin.
The Ginyu Force.
That works. That's close enough. Awesome. Edit. No, I don't want to edit this. No, I don't want to edit this drawing. I spent too much time on it. Don't you dare. Alright. That's close enough. Sorry, AA Vegetable, you have died. Depresso's bored and wants some company. Who have you not met, Depresso? How about Nikki?
Someone do aerobics?
Won't someone do aerobics with me?
My name is Depresso. Could I have your name? Please.
You're Depresso. I'm Nikki.
Hi, Nikki.
With Nikki and the Suchak Chappa.
Depresso is sharing thoughts and things about himself in hopes of quickly becoming friends.
Marionette Pankatoli, Raz and Marionette Morno. Marionette, Yasa Trito Marionette, Longa Cattle, no.
There's more to you than meets the eye, Depresso.
Maybe you'll become good friends with Nikki. That skirt really is cute, though. Oh shit, he's reading the notes. They're saying the secret of this anonymous notebook is hidden within with the line, I don my +3 greaves.
Heh. DD Cometram, Avril, Kafka.
Oh, they're waiting for somebody else, I think.
Talenta,
Who else could they be waiting for, I wonder?
Shorty? Yeah. Gently.
Look at Radish. Oh my god. Radish is a true icon. Ooh, a hospital. This is fine as long as you don't start seeing patients. Yes, I will take it. I wanted to actually look through the collection, because I don't know how many rooms there are in total. 272. Wow. And not only do you have to get the interior, but you have to get the colors for them too. That's only 105. Wait, look at that. It only shows 105 so far, but there's 272 varieties of each of these individual ones. So each one has, like, you know, a good bit of colors or whatever. Oh man, okay. I'm only missing a few goods. Food, there's, like, outrageous amounts of food. Clothing, there's outrageous amounts of clothing. There's 1,481 shirts. 2,000 outfits. 865, like, full body or, like, dresses or, like, full body items. 827 pants. 1,339 hats. 634 accessories. 334 socks. 570 shoes. 286, like, full body, like, you know, costumey pieces or something. That's crazy. Holy cannoli. Looks like an angel costume. I'm just trying to grasp some things by looking. Maybe like a bug outfit, a bear suit, some sort of cardboard box outfit, a cat outfit. This looks like a diving helmet. A cow costume. Maybe this up here is like a vegetable. A dog outfit. I don't know what that is. This one has stars behind it. That looks cool. A fish outfit. I have no idea what that is. Like another bear outfit, but different. A flower outfit. A horse outfit. A star head. That's cool. One of those look like pajamas. A lion outfit. This looks like another shower costume. Maybe a different... Maybe this one has a towel instead of a robe or something. Jester outfit. A pharaoh. Ooh, this one looks like a princess or something. This one's like a reindeer. There's a bunny suit. Ooh, this one looks like a showgirl. Or like a show person. This one looks like a bug. A plant. Some of them I couldn't tell you. Like this? What is this? This looks like Nike. Who knows what that is? This looks like, Metopia wizard. Or mage. This looks like a rice field worker outfit. Ooh, and this one looks like a little ballet queen princess. Ooh, this looks cute. I don't know what this is, but it's got bunny ears and it's got like long sleeves. Fairy outfit, some sort of long dress. I could look through this all day. Another princess outfit. A ribbon outfit. So interesting. And like, not all of these are linked to outfits, so some of this is just gonna be... I just burped, okay. Some of this is just gonna be, in it on its own. Some of it is. Look at the crab hat. That's gonna be amazing. Rabbit hood. The beetle hood, I guess it would be called. The beetle hood. Oh, the antennas are cute. Ooh, marionette strings, that's cool. A price tag, that's cute too. Little UFO. A keychain, that's cute. Some princess-like crowns and stuff. Rabbit ears. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Objects. Oh, cannoli, okay. So the stuff that we have unlocked so far is not all that we're gonna get. I was afraid that we were about done with the objects, but no. There's a lot. Sparklers for holidays, probably. Bleachers, trees, cactuses, so many different types of plants. Christmas trees. And then there's a variety of each one. Oh man, that's crazy. Okay. Alright, sorry, I'm just captivated by this. Captivated by all the options.
Welcome.
Yes, I already have a hospital set.
Please come again.
Thanks, Bot Boy. We have a new group background. Let's have a look at that. Aw, cute! Let's make one. Yeah. It's the ghost of Radish. And the ghost of Dingard. And the ghost of Gorgonzola. And who else? Muddlesky. And then it's Morty's floating head. And somebody else. We need somebody else. How about Sebastian? Perfect! I love these. These are so fun. I like that you unlock them as you play and get stuff. Because I got that because I got the haunted room. What's new in here? Oh yeah, these fences. I'm gonna buy a bunch of these, like a fuck ton of them, honestly.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Oh hell yeah. Fuck you, Karen. You're not allowed to have fun. Ooh, Ghostface under the cherry blossom. It's like a romance novel. Ghostface under the cherry blossom. Hot Boy wants to make a friend. I presume.
Hey there.
Hey there.
I want to be friends with Smurfs.
Okay. Great
What should we
thinking.
talk about?
No, neither of those. How about murdering people?
Got it?
For fun. Everyone murders people on this island.
Hey, Smurfs. Do you feel like talking about murdering people?
Sure.
Sure.
Well, I have to say, I've been super into murdering people lately.
Okay.
Really? Me too. Yeah, I've totally come around on the joys of murdering people. We should hang out sometime and do that.
Yes, we should murder people together. Everyone on the island. Go to the mainland and murder all the horrible, bigoted people. It went great. Good friends. With your dragon costume.
Nice. I knew murdering people would bring Smurfs and me together.
Mm-hmm, you
Makes
sure
sense.
did.
Bot Boy and I have the same taste in hobbies, so no wonder we hit it off.
We have the same taste in hobbies. You sure do. Oh, you leveled up. I just go for the little quirks most of all because they just make me happy. nice. I like the forward bow for him. I think that suits him. It's very mechanical movement. Very precise movement.
Oh, I feel a little different.
A little different.
Chapel. Limpanor 2. Limper. Schnipper. Jordan.
Sebastian.
Hello? I'm trying to learn more about myself, and I think material goods are the way to do that. Could you bring me a treasure that suits me?
A treasure that suits you? What about a scented candle? You gave him a scented candle. He loves it. It'll make the Wild West smell like strawberries. Dang, he's ultra friends with Depresso and with Cell Jr. You're doing very well, Sebastian. He has a greeting already. How would he walk? Probably leaning forward. Or like a model. I'd say probably like a model. Yay!
I feel like I got one step closer to my true self. I dream of taking a vacation on a tropical island someday.
Well, once I get wishes for a ticket, I'll send you somewhere nice. I think you're the only other person. You and Dingard and Depresso and Smirks are the only people that have been on a vacation so far, I'm pretty sure. Marcel, what's wrong?
I think Ghostface is a fascinating person.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm wondering, do Ghostface and I make a great pair?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh, wow. I hope you're right. I could totally see us getting closer.
Yes. You also need some food. Need some food, my child. How about some ceviche? Nah, it wasn't that great. Well then, how about a pear? Just a good old pear, you know? Good old-fashioned pear. He actually did like that. Let's see.
I speak without radio. I speak without quiet voice. I speak without quiet voice. I speak without loud voice. I speak without radio voice. I speak without radio voice.
Walks with a rhythm.
I feel like I'm becoming my true self more and more. Nice. Seems Ghostface is even more into murdering people than I am. Yes, Ghostface and I are more alike than we thought.
My goodness. Nikki wants to play a game. Hi, Nikki.
Here for a game of Shadow Quiz.
Sure.
Here's your first mystery, Shadow. What do you think it is?
Creme brulee,
The
probably.
answer is creme brulee. Next, your second mystery, Shadow. What do you think it is?
Chocolate egg.
The answer is chocolate egg.
Chocolate
Finally,
egg.
the last mystery, Shadow. What do you think it is?
Tempura rice bowl.
Correct answer is tempura rice bowl.
That's a wrap.
Congratulations.
Will we get the hamster in today's episode? Probably not, but I can dream. Oh, but we did get a Kokeshi doll. That's cool. You alright, Nikki? We could use a new room, actually. How about a wedding set? You can become Nikki the wedding planner. She likes it.
Yeah, this is different. Thank you. Nobody found the kiwi I hid? Right.
You hit a kiwi? Where? Oh my god. Iconic imagery. Iconic imagery. Holy cannoli. I love it. Ooh, here comes Espresso. The way he walks is so adorable. They're having a wonderful date. Oh, they're really wholesome. All these two are just boinging away. Oh, Sebastian's gonna hang out with Cell Jr. They like to hang out a lot. They're fondly recalling various specific memories. Oh, what's going on, Ghostface? Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh my god! This is his dreamland. This is what he does. Holy! He's having a great time.
Woo. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby, we love animals. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh hell yeah.
Something you need.
I just want to give you some food after that
Yum.
adventure you were on. Oh, oh. Oh my god! His soul left his body, that's how horrible it was. He thought it was the worst ever! Holy f- Oh my god. I downgraded him! Holy crap!
Marcel sounded really interested in murdering people when
Ghostface, I'm so sorry for what I've done to you.
Become fast friends.
Oh my god. I just like destroyed your innards with that gross goose. Jeez. Holy crap.
Give me on a jiffy.
Here, you should go talk to him. Oh, you're gonna go all the way around. Run, Cell, run!
I am honored to meet you. You may address me as Cell. Nice to meet you, Cell. I'm Lego Man.
I'm Lego Man. Lego Man.
Fabo, Lego Man, and tap on
He's
its shoe.
talking about his beloved cat collection.
So, you leave the charcoal with the Grimby.
My beloved cats.
Who was that again?
Cooking Mom, are you okay? She's bored and wants company. Well, Cell's right here. Make friends.
Pardon me, could I have a moment? My name is Mama.
I am glad you called on me, Mama. You may address me as Cell.
You may address me as Cell.
Cartoon take a toy, resin cartoon.
Mama's trying to sell Cell. Haha, on how wonderful a cartoon can be.
Cartoon, Wanda Kettle, no. Cartoon, yes, a trio cartoon, Wanda Kettle, no.
It's been a while since I've laughed like that.
Yay! Now you don't have to be alone and bored anymore. Should I make, Science
I had a
Papa?
great time with Cell.
Oh my god.
Couldn't have done it without you, Mordecai.
Carrots being a bastard in the background. Ooh, where is... I was looking for this person earlier. Oh. Wait. Wait a minute. It's happening. It's happening. Okay, it's not a confession. It's not a confession, it's just a question.
It may just be my imagination, but
Uh-huh.
I get the feeling that Skill has a crush on me.
Me too. You'd be cute together.
Really? Well, now I'll be thinking about this for the rest of the day.
You should consider it. You should consider it. Sneezes. He knows we're talking about him. Anyways, earlier, and I totally forgot, might have been in the last episode, I was looking for Garbage Can, because I wanted to give her, here we go, some clothes.
I've seen you.
Hey, she loves it. I was gonna give her maybe a different shirt to go with it. Little quirks. Hyped up garbage can. What shirts do I have? Oh yeah, we could give one of these. Let's give her this. Nah, she hates it. Whatever. It's fine. Garbage can is bored and wants some company. Well, hello. Just turn around and there he is. Yeah, I like the outfit altogether though. I think it looks cool. Hi.
Let's try bowling together.
Yes, I love bowling. Let's go. Knock over all the pins. Nice. I might be able to do this in 2 shots. Jason! You bastard! Yeah. It went pretty well overall. I wish I could have done it in 2, but,
Congratulations,
you know.
you won. Time for
Ooh, an engagement ring. Nice. Radishes. Just hanging out on the beach. The sea. Let's see, really quick. Does anybody here not have, like, an outfit or need something new? Popeye could use something new, and he's not happy, which this might help him feel better.
Good day, I suppose.
I'm sorry. How about a pastel suit? Yay! It was a hit.
I feel like a heavy weight has been lifted from my shoulders.
Perfect.
When I talk to Snarks about murdering people, we both... yeah.
Yes, I know. Goodness. That does look good, though. Lego Man looks fine. Ren is running at light speeds. Cell Jr. is probably hungry or wants new clothes. Or a treasure, I guess.
I'm hungry.
Yes, I knew it. I know you would be. Smoked salmon for you. Can't believe your acquaintances with Carrot. Jason is sleeping. Hi, Jason. Are you gonna cross the street or not? Up. Oh my god. Les vroom vrooms. Whoa. Do I get the car outfit? Oh my god. Who's gonna be a car? Oh my god. I know who's gonna- I know. I already know. What's up?
Tried talking to me about Higurashi, but we just didn't see eye to eye.
Yeah. Where is he? We're looking for Morty. Is he in the house? Yes, he is. He's getting the car suit. No questions asked. Oh, he just left. Child. I have the perfect outfit for you. Beep beep. Yes! He's a little car. He's so cute.
You know, we're just joking around. I still can't stop laughing.
This is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. There he goes! Vroom vroom down the road!
Starting tomorrow.
Vroom vroom. Ree, ree. The headlights are on. Ree.
What did I eat for dinner last night?
Oh my god. Oh, Brenna, help Gorgonzola.
Are you alright?
Please help me.
Please.
Oof, I've never seen a case this bad before.
I'm gonna be okay, though. Right.
Probably. Yay.
You're a real lifesaver.
I'm just happy I could help.
Thailand, right.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of Tomodachi Life Living the Dream. As always, I like to repeat the things I said in the beginning because it has been an hour. But if you like my videos, please consider subscribing, and if you want, you can also follow me on Twitch because I'm trying to stream there more often. I also do art commissions, and I'm always available for work, and you can find my art stuff in the description below. Thank you so much. Stay groovy. Bye-bye.